To my new video. Here we have the Samsung phone which I found this in the dump yard. It looks pretty well damaged, but so far as I found, the display was the only thing which was well damaged. Nothing else than this cable which was bit bent here. I guess you cannot see that, but yeah, it's bit bent. So not gonna be a pretty big issue, as display changing would won't be a big issue here. So I cannot tell whether it's well functioning or not until I test each and every product. So now I'm gonna do that. Display is totally gone, you can see. Okay, let's see how many sheets. Okay, fine. Okay, that's a lot of sheets there. One, two, three, and four. Okay, four sheet. Five is the best, but okay, fine. It's a four sheet display, and fingerprint is in good condition. Fingerprint is in good condition. No, I'm not gonna test that and all. I'm just gonna take that off from this. This is of no use now. I'll throw this. Have to change this one. Gonna buy a new one. Now this one is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and few screws might be hiding here. So I'm gonna clear this part up and I'm gonna show you how many screws are there in total. So please stay till then. So here we are back again. Cleaned it a bit, and I was only able to find this screw under the gunk. It's okay, not an issue. At least it looks a bit better now for me. So there's totally 20 screws here. I'm gonna take them down. So okay, all the screws are up. Now I'm gonna do the one basic test, whether it's working or not. I'm gonna do the basic test to check whether it's working. So when I put this charger, I should get a vibration, I guess. Okay. Yeah, that's no vibration. Okay, that's not a good thing to see. Did not vibrate. And a few things which I was able to find out is that this is a 2020 model. Hopefully it is an M series, because only M series Samsung M series phone comes with a fingerprint backside. So hopefully it's an M series. And pretty much that's all. And this seems to be glued also. I guess I need a heating plate or a heating gun to get this off, because it doesn't seems to come out that well easily. So I'm gonna try what I can do. Okay, found out that way. It could be removed from its body itself, so no need of heating it. But don't damage it. Okay. This phone doesn't seems to be opened even once, as the glue was completely fresh. Okay. Getting it well. Hopefully not gonna break anything. Okay. Oh, that's so well crammed. Yeah, this is so pretty bigness. Yep, got that. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of dust gunk inside this. Yeah. Holy shit. That's the selfie camera. Okay. Damn it. Selfie camera is also gone too. Whew. That's not a good thing. Selfie camera is not that easily available. What the heck is holding it? Okay. Oh, the sim ejector tool. Okay, fine. Didn't notice that. So the selfie camera is RIP. So, now we need a selfie camera as well as a display to make this. Oh shit. Hmm. Is this possible like this? Yeah, check this. If this is possible, then yep. If then no. Okay. Selfie camera needed. There's an LCD display for LCD display. Even this wire seems to be a bit damaged. It's a bit bent here. Oh gosh. Holy shit. It's a pretty bad news. Okay. Just I can get few stuffs from this phone, but this phone is not repairable. This phone is not repairable. That's totally gone. That socket is totally gone up. Shit. Okay. And I guess you can see that it's totally ripped off. It's totally gone. Without this is totally gone. So RIP this phone. No chances for this to be recovered because I sold it in, and I guess we cannot do that. Okay, fine. At least I'm gonna completely disassemble this phone and just gonna take a quiet look into this antenna wire. Maybe someday it might come into use. Okay, battery also I'm gonna keep. Maybe battery seems to be in excellent condition. Even the vibration model, camera, speaker, earpiece, and even does this loudspeaker do look in a perfect condition. So I'm gonna get my heating gun into the action to get this battery out from its place. Until then, please wait. So okay, got the motherboard out, cameras from them. So this motherboard is of no use. That guy in anger would have pulled out this main wire, main cable, and he has totally ripped off this socket. Poor phone. That guy seemed to be in very anger. Did this. Okay, bye. Fine. At least few components here, like this cable, or not this cable. This is also quite damaged. Okay, this data board, cameras, and this vibration module could come in handy for me in future videos. Even the fingerprint also. So got the heating gun here. Gonna get this battery out. For that, first I need to heat the gum below it. So let's gonna try it in 80 degrees Celsius now first. Okay, let's try to pry it open. Okay, it's too hot. Okay, good. Okay, Needs to be still heated. Okay. This time let me try with this opening too. Maybe it might be easy. Oh god, that's too hard. Okay, no. This seem to be easy for me. Oh god, that's too hard. Okay. Got this easy. Wow, look at that cheesy. Hehe. Battery looks pretty heavy. Yep, in excellent condition. Oh, buttons. Forgot these. Yeah. I don't have the exact tool to open them. Hopefully this will manage it. Okay. Holy shit. Okay, fine. A little bit harshly. There's no use for them. So I guess that's all for this video. If you liked it, please do like, subscribe. Yeah, I'm totally sad that I cannot repair this phone anymore. Surely extremely sad for that. But at least I got few components like this vibration battery and all that I can use it in the further videos. So please like the video, subscribe, share it, and help me. I'll be back in few videos. Thank you.